create a professional logo for your brand and business just in 5 minutes and make money with it. This video is for you. On this video, I'm going to expose the secret on how I made $8,000 creating a professional logo for businesses and brands. Stick to this video. If you're new to the channel, you're welcome on board. You're welcome to the big family. My name is Billionaire Master Mike. On this channel, our primary goal is to create content that will enhance your financial life. You're welcome to the channel. Without wasting time today, let's dive into the topic of today. How you can create a professional logo for brands and businesses and also make money with that. In the words of AI, you must have been hearing so many things about it and hearing how much people made with AI, and at the point it doesn't fall in with you, it doesn't work well with you. You have not actually learned the secret on how to create wealth with these AI trends. Okay, let me expose something to you. If you go to Fiverr, you will see people creating logo for $50, some for $130, some $1,300. If you look at these places, you will see that these guys are actually having gigs. They are making money out of it. You can also do that with this. But before you do that, you have to learn the tricks on how you can create this logo. You can create a perfect and a professional logo for your brand and business just in 5 minutes. I bet you this is just in 5 minutes, and you can actually do this with your smartphone. Create this logo with your smartphone on the go. You don't need a laptop. You don't need an external device to actually create this thing. You can just create it on your phone just for 5 minutes. Without wasting time, follow me. Let me teach you how to do this in few steps. This video will blow your mind. Make sure you stick to the end of this video to actually get to know the platform where you can actually make this things easy. Please save this video, share with your friends. Make sure everybody gets to know this secret and join you to make money. That is what this platform is all about. Without wasting your time, let's kick off. This is the interface of the platform. It's user-friendly. Just what you see is new logo and brand design. So you scroll down to play around with the environment and see how it looks like. After that, click on let's start. Okay, after clicking that, you wait for it to open. It's gonna for some minutes it will open. See a light, it says hi, hello, welcome. A light will open. Now it's asking you what is your brand name and what is the slogan of your brand. I just put Billionaire as an example, and slogan is making the young rich. After that, you wait for it to load. Then they ask you to choose what category does your brand fall in. I will choose entertainment. After that, you select the color that matches with your brand. I like to always select 3 colors so I can get the best. Then you select fonts that you want to go with your brand. I select 3. I always select 3 to get the best. Then allow it to open. Automatically your logo is loading. Wow, is this not mind-blowing? It's not mind-blowing. Keep scrolling to look for the best of the logos you want. I don't like this one. I don't like this one. Okay, I think I've seen something I like. Wait, I have to go back. I like this. When you see what you like, you click on it to preview, or you edit it in case you don't like it. You don't like the font or the color, you can always click on it to
preview and also edit. Now it's loading. You have to swipe left or right to get new design and feel the beauty of the logo you have created. Look at this pure black. I like this. I like this interface. It's as easy as ABC. This only took me less than 5 minutes to create a perfect logo like this, just with the use of AI. Imagine how many customers you can get across to with this platform.
If you know you're comfortable with this information and you find this information pleasing, please do well to subscribe to this channel so we can keep you updated when next we drop our videos. It's very easy. Just click on like and let this video rank so that people can get to enjoy this benefit. Till we see you again, goodbye from here.